Hi everyone, it is autumn and the weather is getting cooler. As part of my campaign to reborn Mandai Orchid Garden in Brisbane, I'm going to also share information of the heritage orchids that were part of Mandai and those that are living or they are already found here in Brisbane. As you can see right there behind me, I'm going to be talking about Vanda Amy. So let's take a closer look. So this is Vanda Amy. It is a hybrid between Vanda hookeriana and Vanda tricuspidata. Yes, that took a mouthful for me to learn about these two parents. So as you can see, this hybrid here is actually a terete vanda, meaning that everything is all pencil leaf, just like I'm holding a pencil, you see? It's the same, and therefore its requirement is sun-loving. So what the other thing that unique about this was created, or this was registered in 1951 by Amy Ede when she was coming in to be the sole owner of Mandai Orchid Garden. Now, Amy Ede was the adopted daughter of John Laycock, and she was the one who brought the orchid industry of Singapore worldwide. So the unique part about this flower is these two apexes, okay, represents the tricuspidata, and the lip actually bears a lot of resemblance of hookeriana because of the dot. If you look at the tricuspidata, it does have dots, okay, but its here is not as pinky. So another part of this hybrid for Vanda Amy is these two petals, okay. They actually do change a little bit. Let me show you the other parts of the other flowers behind as I turn them and show you. You see, they do arch back a little bit, okay. Let me show you this other flower right at the back without having to break it. It's windy! You see, it's slightly different as well. It's flat. I hope you can see it. It's flat. And there you go. So, the shape is still resembles a lot stronger of tricuspidata, not so much hookeriana. One thing about hookeriana is I've only seen it once at Mandai Orchid Garden, and it's a really straggly grower. But I'm going to show you this plant and how it is growing. It's actually a very robust plant. You can see here, it starts, the lead growing all over. Yeah, I didn't look after it, and it's going. Okay, this is where actually where I bought the plant. Okay, and this is one of the other shoots. So it is a very strong grower. I think it has got a lot of dominance of the tricuspidata, and yeah, it grows very easily. It flowers about twice a year here in Brisbane, and to me, this flower will always remember, part of my career at Mandai Orchid Garden, and why I want to recreate this because of stories like these. So here we have it, folks, a little summary of one of the significant plants from Mandai Orchid Garden. Okay, so I'm hoping to do some more videos. The next one I'm hoping for is to go and capture Arachnis Maggie before she, decides to go to sleep for winter. And so I hope that you will give me a thumbs up, a like, and then subscribe, share, and comment. If you want to talk anything about orchids, any question about it, please feel free. Okay, so till we meet again, bye.